Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and let's make some banana ice cream in a blender. But this won't be just your boring average banana ice cream. No, we're gonna take this to another level. We're gonna go bananas. We're going to start by prepping our bananas by cutting them up into small pieces before we freeze them. And the reason why we cut them up into small pieces is so that the blender can handle it. Cutting up your bananas like this can be very long. So I do it this way. It's much more faster. I cut my bananas in 4 strips. And then I just cut them up. After you're done chopping up your bananas, go ahead and freeze them for 4 hours or overnight. And then, when you're ready to make your ice cream, just loosen your bananas up before putting them in your blender. Professional vegan ice cream makers, they use cocoa butter to get their ice cream smooth. But we're at home, we do not have that. We have peanut butter. So we use peanut butter. We'll be also using some rum to ensure that it doesn't freeze solid in your freezer. But just a little bit of rum. Alright, so we're going to go in with some pinches of coffee just to mask the taste of the bananas. And then we add some vanilla, the good old vanilla. And then we blend. Probably during the blending, your blender might get stuck like this right now. And what do? You open up your blender, you take a spoon or a knife, and you just push it down. But please ensure that you did stop your blender before. And then you blend again. And you keep doing this until it becomes smooth. But if that still doesn't work for you, use a little splash of coconut milk. I say a little splash, just a little bit. You do not want to use too much coconut milk because it then can make your ice cream icy, and we do not want that. After you splash a little bit of coconut milk, ensure that your blender is off again, and you just push down that coconut milk down to the blade and blend. We just sprinkle a little salt just to bring out the natural sweetness of your bananas. And then it's going to look so creamy. Right now, you can just slap this in a container and place it in the freezer to set up. But no, I am not done yet. It's time to go bananas with this. I'm going to use some caramelized peanuts, and I'm going to show you. I start by caramelizing some sugar, then I dump in some roasted peanuts, and then once this is all set and cooled down, I go ahead and just smash it all up. And once again, you do not have to do this. You can just buy a peanut brittle or some Jamaican peanut cake. Alright, so once that is all sprinkled on top, I just drizzle some nice chocolate syrup and I make another layer of my ice cream. I'm going to smooth this out that it looks nice and pretty, and once that's done, I go ahead and I sprinkle some more caramelized nuts and drizzle some more chocolate syrup. And then I just swirl it in, but not too much now. And for finishing, I just dust with some more caramelized nuts and chocolate syrup. Cover this and let it freeze overnight or for at least 4 hours. And when you're done, it looks like this. And you can have ice cream literally whenever you like. You know, it's freezable. It can stay in the freezer and not get rock solid. You can have me whenever you like. Yeah, you can have me last night. You can have me tonight. You can have me 3 nights. You can have me whenever you like. Yeah. Anytime you want it, use your blender, put it in the freezer, get it 2 nights, get it 3 nights. Enjoy and thanks for watching.